Hey boys and girls, it's time for another video lesson, and today we're going to work on page 12, song number 54, Frere Jacques, one of our favorite songs to play out of our band book. Doesn't matter if you're a 5th grader or a 6th grader, this is always a fun song to play. I'm going to play all the way through for you, and then we'll go back and we'll work on it section by section. So here's Frere Jacques from the very beginning. 1, 2, ready, and play. So there's Frere Jacques all the way through. At the very beginning of Frere Jacques, we see that we're in 2/4 time. That means 2 beats per measure, and quarter notes are the kind of notes that get 1 beat. And we have 2 measures where we go B, C, D, B, and then we repeat that same thing again. B, C, D, B. So these first 3 different pitches that we're using at the beginning of Frere Jacques are our hot cross buns notes, right? We play hot cross buns going D, C, and B flat. These are the same 3 notes that we're using here, only we're going in reverse. B, C, D, back to B. And you hear how I pop my keys? When I go for that D, you should be doing that too. Strong fingers on your keys. Curved fingers. The fingers at the bottom of the flute should be coming straight in at the keys, but the fingers at the top of the flute go in at an angle. Not like this, but like this. All right, so let's play the first 4 notes of Frere Jacques. B flat, C, D, back to B. 1, 2, ready, and play. So we end on a B flat, and then we play the same 4 notes again. So we repeat that B flat. We go B, C, D, B again. So let's play the second group of notes. Same thing. 1, 2, ready, go. Got it? Let's do the first 4 measures of the song together. So here we go from the very beginning. Make sure you repeat the B flat when you go from the 2nd measure to the 3rd measure. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and play. Got it? Good. Well, if you need to practice it a little bit, just pause the video, do that a couple more times, and then come back. So here we are now where we see the number 2 in a circle in Frere Jacques. So now we're on the note D. We add our pinky to go to E flat, and then we go to F. D, E flat, F. That's pretty easy. Here we go, let's play that. And we're going to play all 4 of these measures. 1, 2, ready, and play. Got it? Let's do that again. D, E, F. Bunny rabbit ears for D, right? 1, 2, ready, here we go. Probably be good to pause the video again and practice that a couple more times, and then we'll move on to the next line. And here we are on the 2nd line of Frere Jacques, and we have a 6-note pattern that we play here. And when we learn it, we learn the first 3 notes, and then we learn the next 3 notes. The first 3 notes are F, G, F. Our first note is on the top line of the staff. Every good boy does fine. The top line is the note F. So if I know that the top note is F, I know that the next note up from F is the next letter up in the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? So our first three notes are F, G, F. Get ready to do that with me. 1, 2, F, G, F. Good. Do it again. Ready? Again. Use your tongue. One breath for all three notes. Let's do it again. Ready and play. And one more time. Good. This is a section of the song that we have to have memorized, essentially. To really be able to play this part well, the muscle memory has to be locked in. F, G, F, and then the next three notes, E, D, B, right? E, D, B. Well, that's not too bad. Let's practice that. E, D, B. Here we go. Bring your flute up. Ready? E, D. Here we go. Ready? Again, and play. Again, E flat. Again, and play. Good. And make sure, again, that you're tonguing as you play. Ta, ta, ta. All right, and now we're going to put those 6 notes in order. We're going to go F, G, F, and we're going to pause. And then we're going to play E, D, B. So I'm going to give you just a little bit of a opportunity to think about the second 3 notes. So here we go. Here's the first 3 notes, F, G, F. Ready? And play. Get ready for E, D. Good. Let's do that again. F, G, F. Here comes E, D. And let's do it again. F, G, F. E, D, B. And again, take an opportunity and pause your video and practice doing that for a moment. And then come back and we'll put it all together. So here we are back. And now we're on the second line of Frere Jacques. And now we're going to go F, G, F, E, D, B. We're not going to pause in between the first 3 notes and the second 3 notes. There's no rest in there. We're not supposed to pause there. So now we're not going to. So here we go with F, G, F, E, D, B. Bring your flute up. Finger your F. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and go. Good. Make sure that you get the F, G, F perfectly correct. Don't worry about the E, D, B until you're done going F, G, F. Here we go. Let's do it again. 1, 2, F, G, F. Let's do it again. Same thing. F, G, F. Good. And now let's look at the last 4 measures of the song. It's pretty easy on the flute, isn't it? B flat, F, B flat. That's one of our favorite moves on the flute because it's so easy. B flat, F, B flat. And pop those keys when you go for that F. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, B flat, F. Let's do that again. The flute really likes it when you pop your fingers at the same instant that you tongue that F. 1, 2, again, B, F. Good. And if you'd like to play along with me all the way through without stopping, all you have to do is restart the video. Good job, guys. I'll see you later.